Hey guys, watch this video for Wednesday, November 24th. We had some really good stuff in chat today. I wasn't on the microphone at all. I feel like I've been hit by a Mack truck. Over the course of yesterday, I just started feeling worse and worse with body aches, and I got a terrible sore throat, and I got a cough drop in right now. So I don't want to whine, right? So I won't whine any more than I just did, but I'm going to keep this short and sweet anyway. It was a nice day, some really nice calls, pullback play, an APVO. I don't even have anything in front of me right now. But some really neat calls. Pullback play, I think QLGN. IONQ had a really nice opening range breakout. Anyway, that was it. I'm going to keep it short and sweet. My throat's killing me. So QLGN, we're going to watch that one tomorrow. Big volume, big pop. ISPC, this is a weird chart because it gapped up, sold off, gapped up again, and sold off. I don't know what to do with it, but I'm going to treat it like a bounce play. If we get an afternoon high of day break, I think we could get a short squeeze in it. APVO, big mover, big volume, closing well off its highs. We're going to keep an eye on that one tomorrow. There's been some crazy moves, which you do often see on Thanksgiving week for some reason. Low floaters, for some reason, can really get moving on Thanksgiving week. I don't really know why, but it's worth noting. MNOV, again, a nice little pop. We're going to watch for a follow-through day or some kind of A-plus setup. ESPR, kind of the same thing. SEV, I actually had an opening range breakout in this one too. I called it long over like basically the opening 10-minute high, which triggered right there, which was the 2262-ish. It doesn't seem like much, but it went pretty quickly to 23.50 before rolling back over. I actually had a nice, I might have made almost $1,000 just on that. But you go back to 5-minute candles. It had the early pop and again tailed off for the rest of the day. So I would like to see another, I'm going to treat this like a bounce play and see an afternoon break out of a range would be my favorite setup in it. I'm going to put PayPal back on watch again for a bounce play also. RBLX, one of the strongest stocks in the world. Now you've got 2 days in a row down and just took out the 8-day from the upside, went down through it. Kind of getting in that buy zone we look for. So this goes on bounce watch. LGVN had a quiet, well, I don't know, quiet's not the right word, but an inside red day looking for a third day play. The big rip, red day, we're looking for a third day play. I'll treat it like a bounce play. TDOC. Just looking for a snapback bounce. It's pretty beaten up, and just from the last 4 days, it's fallen from about 138 down to 103. So a good setup for a snapback bounce. I can't breathe. SOPA. This one's weird. It IPO'd and then went nuts, and then completely rolled over and fell to new lows. Just the range today was from 39 down to a low of 950. That is a really, really beaten up stock now. And so I want to watch it for a snapback bounce. All right. A few more. I got to get out of here. GOEV, strong, then a gap up, a couple days lower, rolling, turning back up now. You had the big day yesterday, inside day today. Pretty good long setup. IONQ, we got a nice bounce in it today. Again, I call it opening range breakout on this one right there. Which actually was right about there because this didn't happen. I think the high was 2280, so over that, which happened right about there, pretty quickly to 25-ish, and then had a strong close too. So we're going to look for a continuation of today's bounce tomorrow. And then lastly, GAME, which is gapping up in after hours, trading at 431 right now. So if that's still gapping, we'll treat it like a gap play. All right, I'm done babbling. I'll see you guys in chat room in the morning.